I've been getting into fragrances online, a slippery slope indeed. And so I bought on the right this Paco Rabanne 1 million, which turned out to be fake. And I'll show you in a little bit why it's fake. But just comparing on the outside so that you know, um, this real one on the left I paid $70 for. The one on the right I paid $40 for. So there's the first thing that you need to know. The outside covering you can see is different. On the bottom there's a QR code and a batch number, and then on the bottom of this one it's different. It does have a batch number, but it's very faint and a lot less warnings on the bottom of the box, so that's very interesting. That's the first thing. So let me open it up and we'll see what it looks compare like. 100% because the one on the right is a 100 milliliter bottle, but the one on the left is a 200. The logos look pretty good. I can't tell any difference on the logos. They did a good job there. But over here on the left, on the real one, you can see there is an indentation and it's shiny in the middle. This one does not have an indentation. And the one on the left doesn't have an outside box. There's actually more listings on the back of this one, on the 100 milliliter one, than this one. The logo here is a white logo, and this is a blackened logo, so you can tell. The printing is different. This one has a copyright of 2018. This one doesn't have a copyright. The Made in France logo here is in lowercase. Says Novelli Scene. This one, it just has the website, and it says it's made in a different address altogether, but the Made in France is in caps, so that's the difference. Here's another thing. The top of this box has an embossed logo here. You can see that. And on here, there's no embossed logo on the top of the box. Now this one, the top thing has like a plastic thing on it, and this one does not have a plastic. The real one does not have a plastic. Now it's not a 100% comparison because this is a 200 milliliter bottle and this is a 100 milliliter bottle. The embossed logo on the real one looks very clear. On the fake one, now that I compare the two, it looks a little bit fuzzy. But other than that, it's pretty good. I mean, on a first glance, I wouldn't have been able to tell. Looking at the bottom, this should tell us something. Looking at the letters, we have the logo and natural spray. I've been told that the batch number is supposed to be on the bottle, but I don't see it on this one, so that's we'll see. I was saying that this one didn't have an embossed number on the back, but it does. I don't know if you can see it there it is. You can see it there. So it says 20631. This one doesn't have anything on the back at all. I looked all over it. And then there it is on the bottom. So 20631, 20631, and you can feel it. It's like etched into the bottle. So I've seen on other ones where it was on the bottom, but this is etched. You can feel it etched into the bottle at the top. So these two match. This one doesn't have a number. It had a number on the box here, very faint. But there was nothing on the bottle itself. I looked all over this one. And then this one, you could see the number very clearly embossed. It was not. As far as the sprayer goes, let's try that out. As far as misters go, you can hear that squeak. This one does like little droplets, which is fine. This one on the hand, you can hear so much quieter, and it does a nice misting there. And then over here, I sprayed it again, and it's really close, but there is a definite difference in the two when you compare side by side. But I don't know. Blind, could I tell the difference? I don't know. But Anyways, there is my real versus my fake Paco Rabanne 1 million Cologne review. Watching. Hope the fan wasn't too distracting, and we'll see you in the next video.